Welcome to a little different unboxing. I will unboxing the VR for PlayStation and all the things that you need to have to play with PlayStation VR. So first we're going to unbox this new PlayStation camera, and let us see. I see here is some plastic things on that one. And how I will cut will destroy the thing, I'm afraid. See, this is a little more different than the last camera. So here it is. It is more round thing. Of course, I think we have this stand. Yes, pretty cool. And some instructions, of course. Let us put that down here. And you also need this PlayStation Move thing. Let's see, we can open this. There they are. This one, pretty cool, and of course more. This, there we have the cables, two different. Not different, but the same, so you can put them in. And now it's time to open the good stuff. This pretty nice box, the VR set. And I will wait. As you can see, we have the PlayStation logo there, and here we have, I think this is the instruction. Yes, here you see what we get: an HDMI cable, USB cable, AC adapter, power, and the connection to the VR headset and the VR headset, stereo phones, the box, and this manuals. So here we can see how to put the thing together and in which order you will connect the VR system. As you can see, we also have some boxes here, and in this box, let's see what's inside. We have the power cord, and this is the process. Yes, where you put this little box, and of course cables and the headphones adapter thing. Looks pretty awesome. Let's open this one. you put the thingy in. Yes, looks pretty awesome. I will of course connect this to my PS4 Pro. I will wait a second. Things. And then we have this to dry the VR set on. We also have a demo disc with some games and this things, cable, long cable. Now the star of the week, the star of the box, the VR set. And this looks just so cool. Look at this. Wow. This looks just amazing, I must say. And pretty light in weight. Not that heavy. And of course I also bought this little game, PlayStation World, where there is some nice things that I will try out. So this is the unboxing of my version of PlayStation VR set. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and thank you for watching, and goodbye.